passed the October-November session. No teachers, no school, 100% you. So you didn't pass the June session, or want to do a subject in A levels for which you have no IGCSE. Yeah, do better with this prep plan. Do a lot better. So first up, we're gonna check what when to start. I would start 3 to 4 months prior. So if you're watching this, start. And now let's move on to the prep. The first step is to gather your resources. Make sure you have all the necessary textbooks, the past papers, the syllabi, and all that stuff. Number two, create your study schedule. Allocate time for each subject, ensuring you cover all topics. I made a video on the retrospective revision timetable, so check it out. You use that all together with the prospective timetable, and boom, you got yourself an A grade schedule. Number three, use online resources. Yeah, you use websites like BBC Bite Size and YouTube channels, and all of this can supplement your learning. I made a video on not just IGCSE but also A level resources, so go check them out. Number four, form study groups or find a study buddy. Even if it's online, it helps with the motivation and the understanding, of hard concepts. Discord, for example, is really good. It has a ton of groups to join. You can also call multiple friends on Zoom and do that. If you don't like that, or if you're not too tech savvy, meet in person. You have to drive and go meet at some place, but if you like it, do it. Number five, take regular breaks to maintain a healthy lifestyle. This is critical for effective learning. You can't learn well if you're no mental health. So, number six, regularly assess your progression and adjust your plan as needed. Use Excel or Sheets to keep track of things. It also includes graphs, so go nuts and make them as concise and as pretty as possible. So, in conclusion, remember, self-study requires discipline and motivation. There's no teacher here, it's just you. So you have to stay focused on your goal and really don't hesitate to seek help when needed, because still it is you, no teacher. You gotta seek the help that you need to get the grades that you want. See ya.